Hello everyone. I am Suptotsa Ghosh and I'm delighted to welcome you to Python for Beginners, focused on new trends. With years of experience in Python programming, I am here to be your guide on this exciting journey. In this course, our main goal is to explore the foundations of Python while being introduced to returning tech fields such as AI, data science, and ML. Python is important because it is incredibly versatile and widely used in various fields. In this course, our main goal is to explore the foundations of Python while being introduced to returning. In this course, we'll see how Python is beginner friendly and can be your trusty tool for modern tech trends. This course is all about practical knowledge. We believe in learning by doing. We'll roll up our sleeves and dive into coding for real. At the end of this course, we have included a special treat for you. We'll embark on a Capstone project, a hands on real world application of everything you've learned to reinforce your skills and help you tackle real world problems with confidence. This course is designed for absolute beginners and non programmers who are interested in learning Python and applying it to modern real world tech trends. This course is aimed to attract diverse learners, including students, professionals, aspiring developers, and tech enthusiasts. This course requires no prior coding experience, just basic computer skills and curiosity. So let's fasten our seatbelts and get started.